The complete life story of the dodo bird. Once upon a time, on a tiny island in the Indian Ocean, there lived a bird that could not fly. It had no fear, no predators, and a life of peace. But in less than 200 years after humans discovered it, this bird disappeared forever. This is the tragic story of the dodo bird, the symbol of extinction. Where the dodo lived. The dodo was found only on Mauritius, a remote island east of Africa. Mauritius was a tropical paradise, lush forests, coconut palms, fruit trees, rivers, and beaches. There were no big predators, no snakes, no large mammals. This safe environment allowed the dodo to evolve into a large, flightless bird about 1 meter tall and 15 to 20 kilograms in weight. With small wings and strong legs, the dodo lived happily without the need to fly. The perfect climate. Mauritius had a warm, humid climate with heavy rains. The dodo thrived in this tropical world. Rainforests gave it shelter, and fruit trees provided food all year round. It didn't need to migrate or struggle for survival. Nature had given the dodo a paradise with no fear. What the dodo ate. The dodo ate mostly fruits, seeds, nuts, and roots. It was especially linked to the tambalacoke tree, also called the dodo tree. Seedling scientists believed the seeds of this tree could only sprout after passing through the dodo's stomach. Occasionally, the dodo ate insects, snails, and small fish. Some say it even used its powerful beak to break open coconuts. Backhand index pointing right. This shows how important the dodo was to the ecosystem of Mauritius. Family and reproduction. Unlike many birds, the dodo laid only one egg at a time. Its nest was a simple ground nest, made under bushes or trees. Both parents guarded the egg carefully. Once the chick hatched, the mother fed it soft fruits and helped it grow. Because the island was safe, the dodo never needed to hide its nests from predators. But this safety was about to end. Humans arrive. In 1507, Portuguese sailors were the first to discover Mauritius and the dodo. To them, the dodo was a strange, clumsy bird. They found it easy to catch, because the dodo had never seen humans before and had no fear of them. Soon, Dutch sailors also came. They hunted the dodo for food on their long sea voyages. But there was a problem. Sailors described the meat as tough and not very tasty. Still, the bird became a target. The beginning of the end. When humans arrived, they did not come alone. They brought dogs, cats, pigs, and rats on their ships. Dogs and cats hunted dodo chicks. Pigs and rats ate the eggs straight from the nests. The dodo, which laid only one egg at a time, could not fight back against this destruction. At the same time, humans began to cut down the forests for settlements and farming. The dodo's home was disappearing. The extinction, 1681. By the early 1600s, dodos had already become rare. By 1681, the last confirmed dodo was gone. Some say the last one was killed by hunters. Others believe the nests were destroyed until no chicks survived. In just less than 200 years after discovery, the dodo, a bird that had lived peacefully for thousands of years, was wiped out forever. The legacy of the dodo. The dodo is more than just an extinct bird. It became a symbol of human impact on nature. The word dodo is often used to mean stupid, but in truth, the dodo was not stupid. It had simply evolved in a world without predators, where it didn't need to be afraid. It was humans who could not understand its uniqueness. Today, only bones, paintings, and written records remain. Lessons from the dodo. The dodo teaches us powerful lessons. Human actions can destroy species quickly. Every animal is important in maintaining the balance of nature. Extinction is forever. Once a species is gone, it can never return. Scientists today even talk about the possibility of de-extinction, bringing the dodo back using DNA from old remains. But whether this is possible or not, the dodo story continues to warn us. The dodo bird lived in paradise, free from fear, until humans arrived. In less than 200 years, it was gone forever. The story of the dodo is not just about the past, it is a warning for our future. Because if we do not protect the creatures of this earth, the next dodo could disappear tomorrow.